Warning, the following reality programming is the byproduct of a cannabis-induced mania, brought to life like Frankenstein's monster through the awful power of post-production. Viewer discretion is strongly advised.
Hey everybody, I just want to give you a taste of what's going on here at Typewriter Partners. Check them out, Wax the Landlord. We got Mark. Stay eating, brother. We're seeing a moment in history. The first official jam session with Brett filling in as drummer, and they sound fucking on point. Me, I'm just doing a little writing, nothing special, but it's nice to have a little bit of environment when you're working. That's the thing we're trying to do here at Typewriter Partners. We're trying to create a space that artists can feel welcome to come in and contribute, collaborate. It's hard to find a real conducive environment. We mediate our relationships through technology. A perfect example, I'm speaking to you through your screen right now. The point of art is trying to reach through the screen to feel. That's kind of what we're doing here. Hey, that was fucking excellent, guys. So I'm gonna let them continue to do what they're good at.
Now you kind of got an idea what Typewriter Partners is all about.
Let's go check out what's going on upstairs again. Hey, you want to show the viewers what you're working on or what? Or is it top secret? They probably don't hear jack shit, but... Hey, yo, Dixie.
I like him.
Hey. Devin's first appearance on Typewriter TV. Typewriter TV, dog. I already explained it to you, man. I ain't joking. TV.
Yo, what's up, Typewriter TV?
Yo, we got Renee, we got Brett, we got Devin. We're on fucking Typewriter TV.
They call me Zigzag.
Zigzag. Hey, yo, Daddy Zigzag. What's good?
You didn't tell me you guys had a chimney.
That changes everything.
I respect you guys way more.
We're gonna have a guy permanently just hauling coal into this shit, buddy. You know, there'll be like a sign off and shit. There's no exploitation at Typewriter TV, okay? He's getting school credit. The extent of my time on stage as a musician will just be me holding a trombone looking like I do something, you know what I mean?
Good, man. Every band needs a trombone.
Yeah, exactly.
Whether they're playing it or not, man.
Yes. Oh, we could do a lot, man.
What a fucking weirdo. Typewriter TV is the best channel that's not on television.
Typewriter TV.
Typewriter TV.
Hey, what's the thing you said about drive back drunk? You said?
But Bike Back Loaded?
Yeah, that shit was hard. Bro.
You like Bike Back Loaded? Oh, buddy, thank you, bro. I'm telling you, make Bike Back Loaded a thing. It's Bike Back Loaded, make it a thing. This is a day in history. TWTV, there you go. And then the V.
French, it's double V, so it's like you got one V, then you got the double V, man.
Fuck! Tay double V, Tay V. Woo! That just rolls.
I like that you keep saying you're making history, and I'm like, yeah, history. Yeah!
Yeah.
And now I feel like there's this whole narrative of like, you know, growth. And like later on when we're looking back at this, we're like, history!
You're holding up Typewriter TV? Just joking, bro. There's no judgment on Typewriter TV, dog. We're with you every step of the way here on Typewriter TV.
Don't you worry about it, bro. Typewriter TV is about that life. Bro.
Typewriter TV.
That's the energy you want.
I would have played better because of him. I was like, man.
I feel motivated to play better. It's like, oh man, Brett's fucking burning it. I bet
Already playing better.
Don't worry, guys. I will cut any sensitive information on Typewriter TV.
Excited.
I peed my pants in 3rd grade.
I think I might need a new pair, dog.
Dripping water made your body roll the eyes open, and I can't get your body. I can't get your body. Can't get your body out of my mind. I can't get your body.
Hey everybody, you're watching Typewriter TV on the road. Hey?
Yep.
It's going down, man. Fucking Fuck Off guys are just phenomenal. Not just musically, but they're down and they're ready and they want it. Wax is the man.
Yeah, I'm glad I met him.
Yeah, man. At Typewriter TV, we keep our people fed.
Yeah. If you had no mask on, I'd be able to see up your nostrils. That was fast. Cramer doesn't fuck around. Right on.
All right, now it's pizza time.
Yes, it is.
It's pizza time.
Pizza time. We got some pizza, so Typewriter can get all fed.
It's like this is a Typewriter Palace on wheels, you know what I mean?
I think so, yeah. I like that. Typewriter Palace.
See if the boys at Quality Pizza want to appear on Typewriter TV. We'll find out.
Hey, look at what?
No, he's a cool guy. I think he's gonna like this. He called me boss.
Oh, buddy.
He's gonna be on Typewriter TV, I'm certain of it. Instead of just saying, do you want to be on it? You want to be on my TV show? You gotta be like,
What do you think of the name Typewriter TV?
TWTV. And he's gonna say, well, I don't know what he's gonna say. That's the thing. It's like asking a girl out on a date. You just gotta put yourself out there.
I like it a
like
lot.
it?
Yeah. I'm just thinking about it. I'm just thinking about a lot of few thoughts went by, and then it trailed off into something else for a moment, and then you got me back.
That's the kind of journey you're gonna be on at Typewriter TV. Worried I'm gonna get like nicotine poisoning or something.
I've gotten it accidentally on the end of my and that burned. And
Hey, I've done that with chili peppers. Chop a chili pepper and scratch your.
Oh yeah.
That's the kind of spiciness you can expect on Typewriter TV.
It's not like getting acid on your skin.
That's the kind of dark humor you can expect occasionally on Typewriter TV. Woo! Hey, buddy.
Here you go, sir.
Awesome. I got a question for you.
Sure.
We're calling it Typewriter TV. What do you think about that name?
Typewriter TV.
TWTV.
Typewriter TV. It's catchy, I like
Yeah,
it.
a question. Do you want to appear on it briefly?
Yeah?
Cool.
What's your name, buddy?
Conan.
Conan?
Yes, sir.
Conan, you're on Typewriter TV right now, pal.
Quality Pizza, 840 St. Mary's Road.
You got it. There you go.
Come by.
Typewriter TV, that's what we do, you know. All right, buddy. Hey, it was great meeting you, man.
Thanks, bud.
Hey, I remember you.
I remember you. You're a drummer, aren't you?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Jazz.
yeah.
Oh, shit, really?
Yeah, so
holy fuck.
Dropped
So
off 'cause COVID.
it was Conan, right?
Conan, C-O-N-A-N.
Oh, I got that. Yeah, oh, yeah. Number?
Yeah.
All right.
I know.
Call, fucking
As
text.
soon as I kind of thought it was him, I wasn't sure.
boys.
See you, Conan.
Sounds good, brother. You'll hear from us.
So I want to get him involved because I mean we're always like
Oh, buddy, are you kidding? He's
maybe
making more
get him to
appearances on Typewriter TV. Don't you worry about
Maybe-
that. See what I mean, man? That was crazy.
Typewriter TV. That's what we do, you know.